In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Microsoft Excel. Setting the correct margins in Excel is essential when you want to print your sheets on paper, as it affects the overall layout and presentation of your data. Properly adjusting margins ensures that your content fits neatly on the page and looks professional. Let's explore the different ways you can change margins and customize them according to your needs. One of the most common methods is through the Page Layout tab. Start by navigating to the Page Layout tab in the main menu ribbon. Within the Page Setup section, click the drop-down menu under Margins. You will notice the current margin setting highlighted. From here, you can select any of the predefined margin options to apply them to your sheet. Once a margin is applied, Excel displays page breaks with dotted lines, showing you how your content will fit on the page. Keep in mind that this setting only affects the active sheet. If you want to, apply margin changes to multiple sheets at once, hold down the Control key to select non-adjacent sheets or the Shift key to select adjacent sheets. After selecting the desired sheets, return to the Page Layout tab and choose your preferred margins. This allows all selected sheets to adopt the same margin settings simultaneously. Another approach is to change margins through the File menu. Open your Excel workbook, select the sheet you want to adjust, and click File. From there, choose Print to access the print pane. In the print settings, click the drop-down menu under Margins and select the desired margin. The print preview will show exactly how your sheet will look with the new margins applied. Remember that margins set this way only affect the printed version, not the sheet itself. For more precise control, Excel offers custom margins. You can access this either from the Page Layout tab by selecting Custom Margins in the Margins drop-down, or by clicking the Page Setup dialog box. Launcher. In the Page Setup dialog, you can manually enter the top, bottom, left, and right margins according to your preference. You can also choose to center your content horizontally, vertically, or both. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the changes, or click Print to see the preview. Additionally, from the print pane in the File menu, you can click the Show Margins button to see adjustable margin markers on the page. These allow you to drag and set margins independently for top, bottom, left, and right, including headers and footers. You can even adjust individual column widths after setting the margins, ensuring your data fits perfectly. With these tools, you can choose default margins or customize them fully to suit your documents. This flexibility allows you to create professional, well-organized printed Excel sheets. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.